practice English speaking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practice English Speaking channel.
Hi, friends. We're happy you're here today.
Today, you'll listen to a real English conversation between two friends about how to describe your hobbies and interests in English.
This episode is perfect for A2, B1 level learners to practice listening, speaking, and useful everyday phrases.
So relax, listen carefully, and don't worry if you don't understand everything.
We will repeat important phrases and give you time to practice.
Let's start our conversation. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching movies and playing football.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I mostly enjoy action movies, but sometimes I watch comedies to relax.
That sounds fun. I love comedies too. They help me forget stress.
Yes, exactly. After a long day, a funny movie feels great.
Do you have any hobbies you do every week?
Yes, I play football with my friends every weekend.
Oh, that's a great hobby. It's good for health.
True, it keeps me active and happy.
I'm not very sporty, but I enjoy walking and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm interested in soft pop music and sometimes classical music.
Nice choice. Music really changes your mood.
Do you have any indoor hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books, especially self-improvement books.
That's interesting. Reading is a very useful hobby.
Yes, and it helps me learn new things.
I enjoy cooking at home. I try new recipes when I have time.
Wow, that's cool. Cooking is a great skill.
Thank you. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning.
Practice makes perfect, right?
Do you have a hobby you want to start?
Yes, I want to learn photography.
That's a fun interest. You can take pictures of nature and people.
Exactly. It looks creative and relaxing.
I think hobbies are important for a happy life.
I agree. Hobbies help us relax and enjoy life.
And they also help us meet new people.
Yes, especially team sports or group activities.
Let's practice some useful words and phrases from today's conversation. 1. Free time.
Free time means the time when you are not working or studying. Example, in my free time, I watch movies.
2. Hobby. A hobby is something you enjoy doing regularly. Example, my hobby is cooking. 3. I enjoy.
Use this to talk about things you like. I enjoy listening to music.
4. I'm interested in. This means something is interesting to you. Example, I'm interested in photography. 5. Relax.
Relax means to feel calm and comfortable. Example, music helps me relax.
6. Every weekend. This means something you do each weekend. Example, I play football every weekend. 7. Keep active.
It means to move your body and stay healthy. Example, sports help me keep active.
8. Indoor, outdoor hobbies. Indoor hobbies are done inside. Outdoor hobbies are done outside. 9. I want to learn.
Use this to talk about a new interest. I want to learn guitar.
Before we finish, I want to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
Why do you think hobbies are important in our life?
I think hobbies make life more interesting.
Yes, I feel the same way.
Without hobbies, life feels boring.
Hobbies make life more interesting.
Also, hobbies help us reduce stress.
That's true. When I play football, I forget my worries. For me, listening to music helps me feel calm.
Music is a great stress reliever.
Do you think hobbies can help us learn new skills?
Yes, of course. Every hobby teaches something new.
That's very true.
For example, football teaches teamwork.
And cooking teaches patience.
Exactly. And reading improves vocabulary.
That's perfect for learning English. Do you talk about your hobbies when you meet new people?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because hobbies help start a conversation.
I agree. People feel more comfortable.
Yes, and you can find common interests.
Like saying, oh, I like that too.
Exactly.
Let's practice how to talk about hobbies in simple English.
Good idea.
You can say, my hobby is.
Or you can say, in my free time, I like.
You can also say, I'm interested in.
Let's give some examples.
My hobby is cooking.
In my free time, I like playing football.
Try saying this sentence with us.
My favorite hobby is listening to music.
Great job.
Remember, simple English is okay.
Don't try to be perfect.
The most important thing is to speak.
Yes, speak every day, even for 5 minutes.
You can talk about your hobbies in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice on your phone.
Slow practice is good practice.
Exactly. Little steps every day.
In our next episode, we'll talk about daily routines.
You'll learn how to talk about your day in easy English.
See you very soon.
Keep practicing and stay confident.